In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Mailerlite tutorial for beginners. We'll start by opening Mailerlite and either logging into your account or creating a new one if you're just getting started. If you're new to the platform, take a few moments to complete the initial setup process, including verifying your email and domain. This part is important because it helps improve deliverability and make sure your emails can be sent properly. Once you're inside, let's get familiar with the dashboard. Mailerlite is organized into several main sections, and understanding these early on makes everything easier. You'll see areas for subscribers, campaigns, forms, automations, sites, integrations, and the file manager. Think of the dashboard as your control center, where each section handles a different part of your email marketing workflow. Next, go to the subscribers section and click Add Subscribers. This is where you can start building your email list. You can import contacts from a CSV or TXT file, copy and paste them from a spreadsheet, or add them manually one by one. If you already have a list prepared, importing is usually the fastest option. After that, head to subscribers and then groups to create a group for organizing your contacts. Groups help you keep your list tidy and make it easier to send the right message to the right people. For example, you might create groups for newsletter, new leads, or customers. Now go to forms and create a sign-up form so visitors can subscribe to your list. As you build the form, customize the design so it matches your brand and make sure you connect it to the correct subscriber group. That way, anyone who signs up will automatically be added where they belong. From there, move to campaigns and click Create. Choose regular campaign to make your first email. You can begin with a template or start from scratch. But if you're a beginner, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest choice. Design your email by adding text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want to include. Adjust the layout and fonts until everything looks right, then click Done Editing when you're finished. Next, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that should receive the email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments. Before sending, preview the email carefully. Check how it looks on different screen sizes, test all your links, and send yourself a test email so you can catch any mistakes. When everything looks good, review the campaign details and either send it immediately or schedule it for later. You can also create an automation by going to Automations and selecting Create Workflow. Choose a trigger like Joins a Group, add an email step, add a delay if you want follow-up emails, and activate the workflow when it's ready. Finally, check your results in the campaign reports. Pay attention to opens, clicks, and unsubscribes so you can learn what works and improve future campaigns.